Equipment needed. Two pipes. One inlet pipe, one outlet pipe. Depurissimo Basic. Water meter control unit. Fittings. Instruction manual. Assemble the components. Wrap Teflon tape 10 to 12 times around each fitting. Screw the fittings onto the water meter control unit. Unscrew the red protection caps. Program the water meter control unit. Press the display button for 5 seconds. Press the reset button and select 36,000 litres. Press the reset button. Select 360 days. Press the reset button to save. Now you can move on to installing Depurissimo. Remove the fitting that feeds cold water to the mixer tap. Remove the existing tap, if present. Insert the tap provided with the kit. Screw on the water meter control unit. Screw one of the pipes onto the water meter control unit. Screw the other pipe onto the pipe that feeds the mixer tap. Take the pipe attached to the water meter control unit and screw it onto the side fitting. Take the pipe that feeds the mixer tap and screw it onto the central fitting. You can now turn on the home water supply.